I am the Vice President of Manipur Tennis Association. 9 of our members has come here to play friendly matches. We are all veteran tennis players and tennis leaders of Manipur. We have come on the invitation of our Sujata, who is a secretary of Tripura Tennis Association. We are very happy to play here, and all the facilities are very good. I thank the Tripura Tennis Association for all the hospitality and the logistics provided to us. Yesterday we have played there in Dasrat Dev Stadium, and I'm on behalf of Manipur Tennis Association. I inviting the players and uh, all the um, members of Tripura Tennis Association to come to Imphal and play. Uh, Manipur has got a very good tennis team, and particularly we have very rising stars of the country. We have the Junior Davis Cup stars, and in the recently held Finista Open, one of our boys is a champion in under 16, and our lady team also is strong. So it will be good if Tripura also produce uh, national level players. We should try our best and try our so that our boys and girls get qualified in the national games. This time the national games is taking place in Goa, and from our team, individually our Jennifer is participating and representing Manipur. Thank you very much.